Okay, today I'm going to show you how to embed a video into a PowerPoint. Now, you've got to be careful when you're embedding a video because the video isn't actually part of the PowerPoint. It really is just a reference to the video on the internet. So if you set up your PowerPoint and you have this embedded video in it, and you then go and present somewhere that doesn't have any internet connection, then your video will not work. Also, if the video, I'm going to show you an example from YouTube. If the video is taken off of YouTube, it then won't be in your presentation. So you've got to be a bit careful about these things. So I've gone to YouTube first of all, and I've got this video called Moodle presentation that I want to embed into my PowerPoint. I've also got a PowerPoint here where I've got one slide just with my title, and I've got another blank slide here. Okay. First thing to do is go to the top of the address bar and copy the address that's up here. Then you need to open up a text editor. Now, I would recommend either using Notepad or WordPad. I wouldn't use Word though, because you kind of get some hidden editing into there. So I'm going to go to Start and Accessories and Notepad. And I can now paste this URL into Notepad. So we've got, if we pasted this into a browser again, we'd get the video we wanted. Now what we need to do is do a couple of little editing features onto this URL. So where it says watch and the question mark, you've got to be careful. That's what you take out. You're deleting this. You're deleting the watch and the question mark. So we're going to get rid of that. And the bit that says equals, you need to change that to a slash. So this is now your edited URL. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to highlight it and copy it. Okay. So now if we go into our PowerPoint, what we need to do is go to View, Toolbars, and Control Toolbox. If you're if you're embedding a few different videos into PowerPoint, you'll only need to open this toolbox once and then it'll stay open for you. Okay. So the next thing I want to do is go to this bottom right hand side one that has a hammer and a spanner on it, and it says more controls when you hover over it. If you click on that, you'll get a whole load of things up here, and we're looking for one that says Shockwave Flash Object. Now it's alphabetical order, so I can just go down to the S's and find Shockwave Flash Object here. And you'll notice my cursor is now changed to a cross. What I now do, I use the left mouse click. I click in the top left corner and I hold down the left mouse, and then I drag it to the size I want the video to be. So I click now and drag, and then once I'm happy, I think, right, that's the size I want my video to be, I can then let go, and it draws a little envelope like this. Now what we need to do is right click over the envelope and go to Properties. And this is the properties of this flash object that you've embedded here. You need to ensure that embed movie equals false, which it normally will. And then in the movie part here, you need to click into the box to the right of it and paste in the URL that we had edited before. Like so. So we can even go and check this. If I just use my left arrow just to go through it, you can see there's no watch and question mark, and there's no equal signs after the V because we've changed it to a slash. Okay, I'm going to close down that properties box, and that's it now complete. So if I now run this slideshow, here's my title slide, and then I'm going to go into the next page. Here's my embedded video. So I can click play and it'll access YouTube and it'll start playing this video. And that's how to embed the video into PowerPoint. What I'll also do, I'll put up a document that really has step-by-step instructions on how to do it as well.